Hello guys, welcome to the multiple choice question series on the YouTube channel Langlid Guide. I am Saurav Rohkle and today I am going to present some MCQs on the topic Uncle Podger hangs a picture on behalf of Professor Sunil Devkar and Professor Bayasaheb Rohkle from the exam perspective. But before we start, if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe it and like the video if you feel the content useful. So without further ado, let's get started. Question number 1. Who has written the story Uncle Podger Hangs a Picture? Options are A. British Victorian writer Jeremy K. Jeremy, B. American medieval writer Jeremy J. Jeremy, C. American modern writer Jeremy J. Jeremy, or D. Ancient African writer Jeremy J. Jeremy. Correct option is A. British Victorian writer Jeremy K. Jeremy. Question number 2. English humorist and writer Jeremy K. Jeremy was born on the dash dash in Caldmore, Walsall, England. Options are A. 2 May 1856, B. 2 May 1855, C. 2 May 1859, or D. 2 May 1882. Correct option is C. 2 May 1859. Question 3. Jeremy K. Jeremy was died in dash dash Northampton. Options are A. June 14, 1937, B. June 14, 1927, C. June 14, 1928, or D. June 14, 1935. Correct option is B. June 14, 1927. Question 4. Which humorous magazine was founded by Jeremy K. Jeremy and his friends in 1892? Options are A. The Mirror, B. The Idler, C. The Daily Hunt, or D. The Reader's Digest. The correct option is B. The Idler. Question 5. Jeremy K. Jeremy began his career as dash dash. Options are A. A frame maker, B. An actor, C. A musician, or D. A painter. Correct option is B. An actor. Question 6. The extract Uncle Podger Hangs a Picture has been taken from the chapter 3 of dash dash, a comic novel of Jeremy K. Jeremy. Options are A. 3 men on a boat, B. 3 men in a boat, C. 3 men in a ship, or D. 3 men on a ship. Correct option is B. 3 men in a boat. Question 7. The comic novel of Jeremy K. Jeremy is written after his honeymoon on the river dash dash. Options are A. Hull, B. Dart, C. Avon, or D. Thames. Correct option is D. Thames. Question 8. What is the type of the story Uncle Podger Hangs a Picture? Options are A. Horror, B. Romantic, C. Comic or humorous or amusing, or D. Suspense. Correct option is C. Comic or humorous or amusing. Question 9. Who is the protagonist or hero of the story Uncle Podger Hangs a Picture? Options are A. Uncle Podger, B. Aunt Maria, C. Jim, or D. Tom. Correct option is A. Uncle Podger. Question 10. How many children or kids does Uncle Podger has? Options are A. 5, B. 2, C. 3, or D. 4. Correct option is D. 4. Question 11. Mr. Podger has a daughter and dash dash sons. Options are A. 3, B. 2, C. 5, or D 6? Correct option is A 3. Question 12. Who reminds Uncle Podger to hang the picture? Options are A. Mrs. Podger or Aunt Maria, B. Tom, C. Mr. Googles, or D. Charwoman. Correct option is A. Mrs. Podger or Aunt Maria. Question 13. Who is Aunt Maria? Options are A. Uncle Podger's daughter, B. Charwoman in Podger's house, C. Uncle Podger's sister, or D. Uncle Podger's wife. Correct option is D. Uncle Podger's wife. Question 14. What happens every time when Uncle Podger undertake or start to do a job? Options are A. Commotion, that is uproar, B. Celebration, C. Confusion, or D. Despair. The correct option is A. Commotion or uproar. Question 15. What thing does come to Podger's home from the frame makers? Options are A. Hammer, B. A golden frame, C. A picture, or D. A poster. Correct option is C. A picture. Question 16. Where does the picture stand waiting to be put up? Options are A. In the dining room, B. In the corridor, C. In the porch, or D. In the gallery. Correct option is A. In the dining room. Question 17. What does Uncle Podger take off before he starts or begins to hang the picture? Options are A. Shirt, B. Coat, C. Tie, or D. Shoes. Correct option is B. Coat. Question 18. Who was sent out to bring for 6 penny worth of nails? Options are A. Tom, B. Jim, C. Charwoman, or D. Girl or unnamed daughter. Correct option is D. Girl or unnamed daughter. Question 19. Why did Uncle Podger send one of his sons after the girl? Options are A. To tell her length of the nail, B. To tell her shape of the nail, C. To tell her size of the nail, or D. To tell her weight of the nail. Correct option is C. To tell her size of the nail. Question 20. How do we first learn that Uncle Podger does not do things in an organized manner? Options are A. He sends his daughter for nails but forgets to tell its size, B. He asks aunt to hold light, C. He sends message to Mr. Googles but never sends regards, or D. He demands a chair and ladder at a time. Correct option is A. He sends his daughter for nails but forgets to tell its size. Question 21. Whom does Podger appoint to get or bring a hammer? Options are A. Will, B. Tom, C. Jim, or D. Charwoman. Correct option is A. Will. Question 22. Who goes to Mr. Googles to bring a spirit level? Options are A. Maria, B. Mrs. Podger, C. Tom, or D. Jim. Correct option is D. Jim. Question 23. What task or work was given or assigned to Tom? Options are A. To bring hammer and string, B. To bring rule or scale, step ladder and a kitchen chair, C. To tell the size of nail and bring spirit level, or D. To bring scale and hammer. Correct option is B. To bring rule or scale, step ladder and a kitchen chair. Question 24. What regards does Uncle Podger send or give to Mr. Googles through Jim? Options are A. Hopes his leg better, B. Hopes his hand better, C. Hopes his feet better, or D. Hopes his headache better. The correct option is A. Hopes his legs better. Question 25. Who helps to hold light for Uncle Podger while hanging the picture? Options are A. Tom, B. Jim, C. Aunt Maria, or D. Mr. Googles. Correct option is C. Aunt Maria. Question 26. Why did Uncle Podger stop Maria from going anywhere? Options are A. To hold the chair for him, B. To hold the picture for him, C. To hold the light for him, or D. To hold the hammer for him. Correct option is C. To hold the light for him. Question 27. Who brings a bit of picture cord for Uncle Podger? Options are A. The girl, B. Charwoman, C. Tom, or D. Jim. Correct option is A. The girl. Question 28. Whom does Uncle Podger ask to hand up the picture? Options are A. Jim, B. Tom, C. Charwoman, or D. Aunt Maria. Correct option is B. Tom. Question 29. What does Uncle Podger drop in the first attempt to hang the picture? Options are A. The nail, B. The hammer, C. The ruler, or D. The picture. Correct option is D. The picture. Question 30. What happens to the picture at the first attempt? Options are A. It is ruined completely, B. It comes out of the frame, C. It hangs properly, or D. It becomes out of use. Correct option is B. It comes out of the frame. Question 31. When did Uncle Podger cut himself? Options are A. While saving the glass, B. While hanging the picture, C. While saving the hammer, or D. While hitting the nail. Correct option is A. While saving the glass. Question 32. Why does Uncle Podger need his handkerchief? Options are A. To wipe his face, B. To tie his bleeding wound, C. To clean the picture, or D. To wrap the picture. Correct option is B. To tie his bleeding wound. Question 33. Who helps Uncle Podger to find out or search or look for his coat? Options are A. Tom, B. Jim, C. Aunt Maria, or D. All members of his family. Correct option is D. All members in his family. Question 34. How does Uncle Podger obstruct or block the family members to search his coat? Options are A. Throws utensils and tools at them, B. Shouts and cries, C. Dances around them, or D. Puts off the light. Correct option is C. Dances around them. Question 35. How many people initially help Uncle Podger to hang the picture? Options are A. 6, B. 8, C. 7, or D. 5. Correct option is A. 6. Question 36. Why do the family members fail to find out Uncle Podger's handkerchief? Options are A. It is in the pocket of his coat, B. It is in the pocket of his coat and he sits on it, C. He puts it under his coat, or D. He puts it in the cupboard. Correct option is B. It is in the pocket of his coat and he sits on it. Question 37. Why does Uncle Podger call his family members a cat? Options are A. Thinks them useless and he can't expect better from them, B. They don't show interest, C. They are too tired and helpless to search his coat, or D. They don't want to help him. Correct option is A. Thinks them useless and he can't expect better from them. Question 38. Who gets the success to search the missing coat? Options are A. Tom, B. Jim, C. Aunt Maria, or D. Uncle Podger? Correct option is D. Uncle Podger. Question 39. Including the charwoman, how many members help Uncle Podger to hang the picture? Options are A. 7, B. 8, C. 5, or D. 6. Correct option is A. 7. Question 40. How much time is spent to tie Uncle Podger's wounded finger? Options are A. 8 minutes, B. 18 minutes, C. 10 minutes, or D. 30 minutes or half an hour. Correct option is D. 30 minutes or half an hour. Question 41. Who is the outsider who helps Uncle Podger to hang the picture? Options are A. Frame maker, B. Plumber, C. Charwoman, or D. Carpenter. Correct option is C. Charwoman. Question 42. In the second attempt of hanging the picture, all the members stood in a dash dash position. Options are A. A zigzag line, B. A circle, C. A straight line, or D. A semicircle. Correct option is D. A semicircle. Question 43. How many members are appointed to hold the chair? Options are A. 2, B. 3, C. 4, or D. 6. Correct option is A. 2. Question 44. What tool does Uncle Podger drop first? Options are A. Scale, B. Chair, C. Spirit level, or D. Nail. Correct option is D. Nail. Question 45. What tool does the uncle lose or misplace when he gets the nail? Options are A. Hammer, B. String, C. Marking, or D. Light. Correct option is A. Hammer. Question 46. When Podger gets the hammer, he lost a dash dash he had made on the wall. Options are A. The size of the mark, B. The site or place of the mark, C. The direction of the mark, or D. The width of the mark. Correct option is B. The site or place of the mark. Question 47. Finally, Uncle Podger remeasures the wall with dash dash. Options are A. Scale, B. Rule, C. Spirit level, or D. Bit of string. Correct option is D. Bit of string. Question 48. What does Podger call the members when they show different place of marking? Options are A. Fools, B. Stupids, C. Intelligent, or D. Careless. Correct option is A. Fools. Question 49. On which musical instrument did Uncle Podger fall while hanging the picture? Options are A. Guitar, B. Piano, C. Violin, or D. Bongo. Correct option is B. Piano. Question 50. What makes the musical instrument to produce a fine effect? Options are A. Uncle Podger is an outstanding musician, B. The musical instrument is imported, C. All the members fail on different notes or buttons at the same time, or D. Podger's head and body strikes all the notes or buttons at the same time. Correct option is D. Podger's head and body strikes all the notes or buttons at the same time. Question 51. Uncle Podger, while hanging the picture, leans over the chair at an angle of dash dash. Options are A. 25, B. 90, C. 45, or D. 60. The correct option is C. 45. Question 52. While attempting the first blow on the nail, the uncle smashes his thumb and the hammer drops on somebody's dash dash. Options are A. Head, B. Toe, C. Leg, or D. Ankle. Correct option is B. Toe. Question 53. What happens at the second blow on the nail? Options are A. Uncle Podger fell down. B. Uncle Podger smashed his finger. C. Nail went through the plaster. Or D. Aunt became angry. The correct option is C. Nail went through the plaster. Question 54. Around what time does the picture go up on the wall? Options are A. Dawn, B. Afternoon, C. Evening, or D. Midnight. Correct option is D. Midnight. Question 55. What does Uncle Podger ask his wife not to worry about? Options are A. Getting the picture hanged, B. Mr. Google's leg, C. Hammer and spirit level, or D. The coat and handkerchief. Correct option is A. Getting the picture hanged. Question 56. Why does Uncle Podger send his daughter out for? Options are A. To bring 10 penny worth nails, B. To bring a ladder, C. To call charwoman, or D. To bring 6 penny worth nails. Correct option is D. To bring 6 penny worth nails. Question 57. Uncle Podger is a funny, fussy, messy, bossy and dash dash type of character. Options are A. Communicator, B. Absent-minded, C. Clever, or D. Skilled. Correct option is B. Absent-minded. Question 58. Uncle Podger is also known as accident prone because of dash dash. Options are A. He lacks skills to work properly, B. He has speciality to work neatly, C. He is a humorous character, or D. He hangs the picture properly. Correct option is A. He lacks skills to work properly. Question 59. Who takes the credit of hanging the picture? Options are A. Uncle Podger, B. Aunt Maria, C. The children, or D. Charwoman. Correct option is A. Uncle Podger. Question number 60. In what manner, finally, the picture is hanged by Uncle Podger? Options are A. As per Maria's direction, B. Neatly and properly, C. Artistically and skillfully, or D. Very crooked and insecure way. Correct option is D. Very crooked and insecure way. Question 61. How does Aunt Maria threat Uncle Podger? Options are A. Go to mother and spend a month, B. Go to bed and enjoy rest, C. Go and spend a week with mother, or D. Go to sister for a month. Correct option is C. Go and spend a week with mother. Question 62. Which of the following tool is not used by Uncle Podger while hanging the picture? Options are A. Spirit level, B. Drill machine, C. Hammer, or D. Ruler. Correct option is B. Drill machine. Question 63. According to Uncle Podger, dash dash are responsible to make a fuss over everything. Options are A. Women, B. Children, C. Men, or D. Frame makers. Correct option is A. Women. Question 64. What kind of light is used to hang the picture? Options are A. Torch, B. Lamp, C. Sun, or D. Candle. Correct option is D. Candle. Question 65. What is the meaning of a phrase come across? Options are A. Meet or find with the help of friends, B. Meet or find someone or something by chance or suddenly or accidentally, C. Meet or find with the help of binocular, or D. Meet or find someone or something immediately. Correct option is B. Meet or find someone or something by chance or suddenly or accidentally. Question 66. Mr. Podger calls all the others in the house fools when they dash dash. Options are A. Fail to search handkerchief, B. Show different marks on the wall, C. Fail to find out his coat, or D. Fail to find out the hammer. Correct option is B. Show different marks on the wall. Question 67. While hanging the picture, Uncle Podger forgets things like hammer, marking on the wall, coat, nail, and handkerchief. It shows that he is dash dash character. Options are A. a sound-minded, B. a busy and open-hearted, C. an absent-minded, or D. bossy and busy? Correct option is C. an absent-minded. Question 68. What do you mean by or meaning of spirit level? Options are A. Spirit in laboratory, B. Spirit in chemical plant, C. Spirit in chemical factory, or D. Glass tube that checks level of surface. Correct option is D. Glass tube that checks level of surface. Question 69. What is the meaning of the word charwoman? Options are A. Forewoman, B. Landlady, C. Beautiful lady, or D. Woman hired for housework. Correct option is D. Woman hired for housework. Question 70. What is a step ladder? Options are A. A handy and heavy ladder with steps, B. A portable and handy but not foldable ladder, C. A portable, handy and foldable ladder with steps, or D. A portable and foldable ladder without steps. Correct option is C. A portable, handy and foldable ladder with steps. Question 71. What kind of narrative technique is used in the story Uncle Podger Hangs a Picture? Options are A. Third person, B. Second person, C. First person, or D. Non-linear. Correct option is A. Third person. Question 72. Who were Jim, Tom and Will to Uncle Podger? Options are A. Sons, B. Nephews, C. Sister-in-laws, or D. Sons. Correct option is D. Sons. So, that's it for today. Thank you for watching the video.